Hi guys, welcome to week 2. Uh, give you some chemistry updates here. So again, what you'll do first is go to materials, click on that, and lesson 1 is atoms. And what we're going over is a video for you to watch on atoms and molecules. And then there's a little icon here, a link I should say. Click here for the note catcher. So click on that, and then it'll take you to a document where you can write your notes right on the computer. Then we're moving down to, and if I didn't say it already, go to materials over on the left hand side here. Then we move down to atoms. Oh, that's your Cornell sheet, okay? Cornell notes. So that's the notes note sheet that you can take your videos on. Then there's a atoms PowerPoint right here, and just go through the PowerPoint and you write down one thing you learned per slide. Okay, you can do that on the Cornell notes as well. All right. Then there's build an atom instructions. This is just an interactive site. When you click on it, there we go. It's an interactive site. You can just sort of hit play, and then just you can build atoms by taking them from the protons, neutrons, and electrons. All right, so let's go back to materials. Hexter 2, week 2. Okay, there we go. There's that video again. And there's your note-taking sheet. And build an atom instructions. We talked about that. Then you can, you know what you can do is you can look at this build a simple atom video. That's the one where you can do the building of atoms. Okay, and we'll go back to, I'm doing it the hard way here, Hexter 2, week 2. I could have just hit the back button. And I'll show you the next assignment is the scientific method. There's a reading here, and then there's another reading here. It says scientific method lesson 1. So read through this text that I pasted here for you, right here. Then there's a worksheet when you click on it, and it's just 4 simple questions about what you just read. So that's what I have so far for this week. Get busy on that, and I will be getting back to you during the week. So have a good start to week 2.